Brian Dial with the real estate firm. I'm here to talk about FOXBANK. What you're looking at behind me is one of many of the ponds and lakes that they have here. Let's take a look at some of the amenities. Wow, what a great place. FOXBANK Plantation, I love it. I love selling in here. I love helping people buy in here. I love just driving around or walking around this place. If you want to be outside, if you want to be close to all types of amenities, come check out FOXBANK Plantation. Let's go have a look at a few more things this place has to offer. So guys, if you can't tell, FOXBANK is a gorgeous place. You've got all kinds of lakes. You probably can't see it, but there are little baby geese right over there. I'm a sucker for that kind of stuff. There's wildlife, there's kids everywhere, there's a school in here in town, there's amenities galore. If you like to walk, you like to be outside, or if you want to stay inside, you like beautiful houses and close to all sorts of things. You're close to Goose Creek, you're close to Moncks Corner, so it's just a hop, skip, and a jump to run into town. Either way, if you want that, FOXBANK is for you. Look at this place.